Manipur top channel ki make di ki myam na ten tak pa paung katang myam na share tawjage yam namak maru eba Manipur ki thokpa paung mani myam na ten tak na hapsaramge Government of Manipur Home Department ngasi April ki tang taraga taru English ngani ga kun ga mathoi da ngasi order ma thokre myam taminasi kari order no haibatu myam yengminarsi si na hai order sin makha ta na hai ri myam madudi tang kunthraga mathoi thahom English ngani ga kun ga mathoi da issue to kiba guidelines sing haibadi relating simyam test kumba track kumba masum treat kumba amasum other additional condition relating to gathering of people sigumba magi guidelines sing si lagliba tang kunthra thamari English ngani ga kunge mathoi phoba satnagani haibisini amasum COVID-19 sigi yengduna Manipur dasu mayam night curfew gi order ma thoe night curfew si nungdang gi pung 9 dagi ayuk ki pung 3 faune numit khudingi si curfew si satnagaduri adugo si curfew sing si hairiba kharadadi haidi applicable oirudri mokhoi sing si myam all goods carries vehicle including medical oxygen gumba puba sigumba sing sitadi sigi curfew sing si mokhoi sing si Consuloidri amasum all essential service establishment like pharmacies gumba clinic gumba hospital gumba amasum power supply public health engineering municipal office engaged in cleaning fire service amasum medical oxygen manufacturing plants ni do atopamana all personnel of the establishment mentioned at to above including that of veterinary service aduga mari subadana all government official who have been assigned specific duties of COVID-19 management or other emergency servicing makoi singsigidi hairiba night curfew na consiloidri aduga manga suba point thamni madudi all the deputy commissioner district shall issue order under CRPC for the district and enforce the above strictly having aduga ma'am sigi order si Dr. Rajesh Kumar Chief Secretary and Chairman State Executive Committee Government of Manipur no khuyak piduna tholakpa order amani aduga myam in detail hayang ayuk phong singdigi lokhachara kana myam na suje soiduna share tawjarake share myam hojiko nati matang solution jarage and thank you.